So welcome students. So in this question you have given a relation R is a set containing ordered pairs 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. So in that case, what is the nature of R? And A is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is relation is defined on A. So let us draw this relation and see the nature of this relation. So if you draw the diagrammatic form of R, 1, 2, 3, 4, this relation is defined from A to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first, the first ordered pair is 1, 3. That is 1 is related to 3. 4 is related to 2. 2 is related to 4. 2 is related to 3. 3 is related to 1. So first, is this a function? No, because 2 have 2 images. If it is a function, every element in the domain should have only one image. So this is not a function. Now, is this reflexive? No, this is not reflexive because 1 is not related to 1, 2 is also not related to, nothing is related to itself. So it's not reflexive. Is it symmetric? So you see 1, 3 is there, 3, 1 is there, 1, 3, 3, 1. Similarly, 4, 2 is there, 2, 4 is there. But for 2, 3, there is no 3, 2. For 2, 3, there is no 3, 2. Hence, this is not symmetric. So, not symmetric is the right answer. So, is this transitive or not? So, for transitivity, you need to check. So, you have the element of the form 1, 3. So, do you have element of the form 3, something? You have an element of the form 3, 1, right? 1, 3 and 3, 1. Hence, if it is transitive, then 1, 1 has to belong to R. But 1, 1 is not there, hence this relation is not transitive. So it is neither a function, nor a reflexive, nor transitive, nor symmetric. So not symmetric is the right answer. Thank you.